A warm welcome to all. Today we discuss about the topic is control statement. First we see the learning objectives. The learning objectives is to understanding the meaning of a statement and a statement block and also learn about the decision type of control construct in C and the way these are used in the program and also learning about the looping statement and some special control construction and also learn about the nested loops and their utilities. Then we see the control statements. The control statements are classified into three types: selection statement, iteration statement, and jump statement. The selection statement is classified into three types and they are if else, and switch statement. It is based on some set of conditions or some set of rules. Then we see the iteration statement. Iteration statement are classified into three types and they are for, while, and do while. The iteration statement is made up of a large number of, that means n number of statements and n number of conditions. Then the third type is jumping statement. The jumping statement are classified into four types: go to, break, continue, and return. The jumping statement means if suppose the condition or test expression is false, the whole test expression or whole the condition is false, we have used this jump statement condition. Then we see the programming control statements, how to construct the whole statements or whole programming. The control statements are classified into two types. They are selection and branching, and the another one is iteration and looping. Today we see about the selection and branching statements only. The selection and the branching statements are classified into two types: conditional type and unconditional type. The conditional type is based on some set of condition and the unconditional type is based on there are no condition, there are no limit or no return values. So no condition. If the any one of the statement is wrong, any one of the condition is wrong, then we use the unconditional statement. The conditional type is classified into four types: if else if, and the switch statement. The another name of the conditional type are selection statement, conditional operator, and switch statement. First, we see the selection statement. The selection statement is based on some set of condition and it is classified as follows: one way decision making, two way decision making, multi way decision making, and dangling else program. So first we see the one way decision making. One way decision making means if the program or any program has only one set of test expression. If the test expression is true, then it will display the true statement only. Like that means one way decision making means if that a test expression or a condition is true, then only the statement will display. Otherwise the whole statement or whole the program will going to the return statement or break statement. Then we see the example. In this program, we have to analyze the largest number of three values. We give any of the three values and also find out the largest number of the given three values. Let me take the input of three values as A, B, C. Then we scan or analyze or the program to take input. Then we have some put on conditions. The conditions are maximum equal to A. If the value of A is maximum, then it will display the largest number is A. Suppose the condition is false, then it will go to the next condition. If B greater than max, then then it will display the maximum value or largest number is B. Then suppose the statement is also false, then it go to the next statement, maximum of value equal to c, that is c greater than maximum, then it will display the maximum equal to c. Suppose if all the three conditions are false, then the whole statement or whole program is written to the zero value. We give another set of three values and follow the same procedure. Then we see two-way decision making statement. Two-way decision making statement means if the test expression is true or false, it will give some set of statements. Before we see only the test expression is true, the statement will display. Now the two-way decision making, if the test expression is true or false is not the problem. It will display some set of statements. Then we see another one set of example. In the same program, we have gives three set of values, and also we find out the maximum value. The three set of values are taken as A, B, C, and we find out the largest value. That means the maximum value. We had the same set of conditions, maximum equal to A, or a maximum equal to b, or maximum equal to c. We have some set of conditions. If b greater than max, we display the maximum value is b. If a c value is maximum, we display the largest value as c. Otherwise the whole program or the whole statement will going to the return zero value. Then we see multi-way decision making system. So multi-way means what? There are more ways or more options or more conditions. Likewise, in the multi-way decision making statement, we have large set of expressions or and large set of statements. That means in the multi-way decision making statement we had n number of test expression and n number of statements. We see the we see the two types of multi-way decision making statements, and they are if else ladder and switch statement. If else ladder, what is mean by ladder? Ladder means it is combined by the another set of path. So likewise, if else if ladder means it is a combination of one part of if else statement. If the test expression is true, the true statement is displayed. Suppose if the expression is false, we go to the next expression. Suppose the test expression 2 is true, the statement 2 is displayed. Suppose the 2 is also false, then it go to the test expression 3. Likewise, it will combine by up to nth statement. If the last statement is, that means if the nth statement is also false, then it will display the false statement, that is if else ladder. Then the another type of multi-way decision making is switch statement. It consists of some constant and the break statement. So break means to stop. If the condition is true or if the statement is displayed, the whole program is stopped. Then we use the break statement. The switch statement is consist of expression. The expression is belong on the switch statement. Then among the expression we had considered or we had used n type of constants, and also display the n type of n list of statements. This is a flowchart of else if ladder. First we test the expression 1. If the expression 1 is true, then go to statement. If the condition 1 is true, then it go to the statement 1. Suppose if the condition 1 is false, then go to the test expression 2. If the 2 is true, it goes to the statement true. If the test expression 2 is false, then go to statement 3. Likewise, it is a cycle upon the nth term. Suppose the nth condition or nth statement is sorry, the nth condition is false, then it will display the false statement. Suppose the nth statement is true, it display the nth statement. This is the one of the example of else if ladder. The else if ladder, it consists of we display the some number and we display the number is positive or negative. We display we had a condition if x greater than 0. If the value of x is greater than 0, we proceed the statement is x is positive. Suppose if the condition is false, we move on to the next condition if x equal to 0. Suppose if the given value x is 0, the then the display statement is x is 0. Suppose the both two conditions are false, then the default statement or the statement n or the false statement n is x is negative. We had given one number, we take that number as x, and we had proceed two set of condition 1 is x greater than 0. Suppose the given value is true, given value satisfy the condition, then we display x is positive. Suppose the given value x is equal to 0, then we display x is equal to 0. Otherwise the whole statement otherwise the whole condition is false, then the given condition of x is negative is proceed. Then we see the nested if statement. So nested if statement is also a part of nested if else statement. It is combined by another one part is combined by the another test part of expressions. It is used it is used when any if statement is written another if statement. This cluster is called nested if. Then we see the syntax. First we see if we give the test expression A or test expression 1 and we give the if the condition 1 is true, it move on to the next condition, that is if test expression B. If the second expression is false, we display the else statement. So otherwise the first expression is false, we directly move on to the else if statement, that means false statement of A. This is one of the example. In this part we give three set of values and take a, b and c, and we find out the largest number of the three values. Then we combine the all three values and we find the largest value among the three values. The first value is a, the first condition is if a greater than b. Suppose the condition is true, we move on to the next condition if a greater than c. Suppose the first condition is false, then it go to the second condition if b greater than c. If all the three if suppose the first condition is true only, then it goes to the next condition if a greater than c. So these are the basic control statements. Today we see the control statements and the decision making statements. So first today we discuss about the selection statements only. So the selection statements are classified as four types: one-way decision making, two-way decision making, multi-way decision making, and dangling else program. And the dangling else program is classified into two: nested if and switch statement. So these are the basic control statements in C language. Thank you.